Hi, today's update is not much really. I'm just taking off the lining for this wall, or maybe not, because it is in a pretty bad state, so we'll see how that goes. We're still working in this bedroom with the fireplace. Father-in-law's just trying to find the mains for the water so that we can turn it off. So he's knocking the place to bits. This is the bathroom, or what will be the family bathroom. Real funky wallpaper. Nice. So hopefully we're going to find a little bit of extra room hidden here so that we can make the whole bathroom a lot bigger, because it's absolutely tiny. Well, it's not tiny, but it fits a bath. It'll fit bath, sink and toilet, but it'd be nice to be able to see if we've got this room that we can put a shower through there. So we'll just have to wait and see. But that's it for now, until possibly knocking down a wall later. Bye.